welcome back to my channel. Be your best beautiful. Happy new year to all you guys. I hope this year 2021 brings us lots and lots of happiness and good wishes to all of you from my side. So today I'm here and I'm going to do a product review for you guys, and the product is Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation.
Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
So let's talk about the packaging first. So this is a normal glass bottle. As you can see, the glass bottle has a matte kind of a finish and it has a normal rose gold plastic cap. It has a spatula kind of a thing inside, as you can see, so very easy to apply. I would have preferred the pump thing, but anyway, this is also good. So as you can see, the foundation is very runny, guys. Just see. Can you see? I think it is the most liquidy foundation I have ever used. It's very liquidy. This is how the packaging looks like from outside, and behind it has all the details mentioned, and over here it has the price and the expiry date mentioned. So talking about the price, this particular product is priced at 475 for 25 ml of product, which is amazing. I guess I got this particular product for around 30% discount on Nykaa, which is crazy, I believe, and it makes it's really affordable, guys. So let's quickly do a demo. So as you can see, I have absolutely nothing on my face. I just have applied a lip balm. So now I'm going to show you the demo of the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. It's in the shade W180 Warm Caramel. Now this is little bit lighter than my shade, but I think that is manageable. So yes. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to damp it a bit with using my makeup setting spray. And I'm going to slowly dab the foundation. So as you can see, the coverage is medium. It is not giving me full coverage, but it is buildable and it is getting blended beautifully. So that is what I liked about this. Though the coverage is not full, but the blending is amazing. This is how the foundation looks like. Now I did not apply a lot of foundation, just a bit. You can definitely put one layer of foundation and build it up. That will give you more coverage. So I'm okay with this coverage. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly just add some setting powder or the normal compact powder and come back. This is what it looks like after applying a normal compact powder. So I think the foundation is pretty good. I mean, I really like the blending part of the foundation as well as the light to medium coverage it gives. So yes, so I'll just do the rest of the makeup and then see you. So this is how the complete makeup looks like with the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. I think I really like the foundation. I have already worn this foundation for around 4 to 5 times and I'm loving it. And I've done a wear test last time I wore this foundation, so I'm going to attach the wear test clip right now so for you guys to see. Hey guys, so I've applied the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. This is in the shade W18 Warm Caramel, if you can see. So if you can see the coverage, it is medium. Yeah, so it is medium, and I have applied a little bit of primer before applying this foundation. Now I know this particular foundation has primer in it, but since I was applying it for the first time and I have just shot a video, I just wanted to make sure that how it looks with a primer, like external primer. So I've applied that. So I've applied this particular foundation at around 4:15 p.m. and if you see the time, it's around 5:20, so it's already been an hour and it's still sticking to my face really well. I cannot see any patchiness or any crack kind of a thing, and I'm going to wear this primer for next maybe for 6 to 7 hours, and I'm going to report you at evening time. So let's see if this foundation stays that longer. Hey guys, it's almost 7:40 and I just went outside. I did some shopping of normal groceries for the week, and I think the makeup is still on. So I was sweating very badly, so what I did is I dabbed a little bit of tissue on my face, and now I think it's pretty good. So if you see my eye makeup, it's fading a bit, but I think the foundation is pretty much there. Slowly, steadily with time, definitely it is also coming off, but I think it is doing a pretty good job. So at that particular time you were watching me in natural light, so now it's quite late here, so this is the artificial light out here. So let's wait and watch what will happen in next 2 to 3 hours. Hey guys, it's almost 11 p.m. as you can see, and literally no makeup. In fact, my makeup has completely melted because I was working in kitchen, so I did not do touch up even once. The only thing is I did is I just dabbed all the sweat in this tissue, so that is all I did. And frankly speaking, the makeup has completely gone, although there is no kind of patchiness, but my mascara and everything has just come down. That is why it's looking that black. So sorry guys, I'm actually looking at myself and giving a review, and so that is why. So I really like the foundation for the cost, because I got it at around 30% off in the Nykaa pink sale, the recent sale. So I think Lakme did a pretty good job with this 9 to 5 primer plus foundation. So I really like it. So yeah, all in all, I think this is an amazing product, guys. You can definitely go for it, and the price is to die for. And definitely buy it during sale. You will get it at a very good discount. And the best thing about it is available in so many shades. Like for every skin tone you will find a shade. So people who have skin tone like mine can definitely go for this W180 Warm Natural. I think it will definitely fit your skin tone too. So yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. I would like to give this product a yes from my side. Great job, Lakme. And that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.